Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 3200 and the De'Longhi Eletta Deluxe. What do you think?
Oh, interesting. I see the Philips EP 3241/74 is going for $599, and it makes iced coffee, which is a plus. What about the De'Longhi ECAM 45760S?
Well, that's the thing. The De'Longhi is currently unavailable. Bummer. But it does have a 5-star rating, and the Philips has 4.1 with 20 reviews.
That's a big difference in ratings, but only 3 reviews on the De'Longhi, so maybe not the best sample size. Right? Let's look at the features.
Okay, the Philips boasts 5 coffee options, including iced coffee and a LatteGo system for milk frothing. It also has ceramic grinders that should last for 20,000 cups. Cool.
Nice. The De'Longhi highlights its Latte Crema system, a built-in steel burr grinder for freshness, and 15 bar pressure for espresso. It seems more focused on traditional espresso drinks.
Yeah, the Philips emphasizes easy cleaning with a removable brew group. The De'Longhi focuses on fresh coffee with no leftover grounds in the brew unit.
Size-wise, the Philips is 17DX 10 inches WX 15 inches H, and it weighs 21.6 pounds. The De'Longhi is a bit bigger at 14.1, 6DX 10.2, WX 18.3 H, and heavier at 30.6 pounds. So the De'Longhi will take more counter space.
Good point. And the Philips has an aroma seal to keep beans fresh and reduce grinder noise. That's a thoughtful touch.
True. The De'Longhi is stainless steel, while the Philips is black. Just aesthetic, but depends on your kitchen.
Right. One customer review on the Philips says it's basically a one-button operation for a great cup of coffee. The De'Longhi reviewer raves about consistent coffee quality and that it grinds its own beans so they can avoid roach parts in pre-ground coffee. Yikes.
Haha. Well, if availability wasn't an issue, I think it depends on your priorities. If you want iced coffee and easy cleaning, the Philips seems good. If you want a focus on traditional espresso and a more robust build, the De'Longhi might be better. But let's be real, you can't buy the De'Longhi right now, and the Philips is in stock, so
don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.